The 2014 Chevrolet Corvette C7 Stingray by GeigerCars. It's no secret the Corvette C7 Stingray is a hot performer. With its 460 horsepower and 465 pound-feet of torque, the C7 launches itself to 60 miles per hour in a very respectable 3.9 seconds. Its handling is spectacular too, thanks in part to the magnetic ride control shocks and other Z51 specific parts. However, improvements can always be made. That's where one tuner company based in Germany steps in. GeigerCars has developed a performance upgrade kit that includes new coil-over shocks, a carbon fiber body kit, and an Eaton supercharger. That last bit helps the Stingray's 6.2-liter V8 produce an extra 128 horsepower and 107 pound-feet of torque. Now pushing out 582 horses and 558 pound-feet, the Vette's trap time should be noticeably quicker. In fact, GeigerCars claims the Vette's new top speed is 198 miles per hour. That's a big improvement over the stock Stingray's 178 mph top speed. While General Motors' magnetic ride control allows for firmness adjustments, it doesn't lower the car. That's where the KW Variant 3 coil-over shocks that adjust vertically between 10 and 35 mm (0.39 to 1.38 inches) up front and 15 and 45 mm (0.59 to 1.77 inches) out back come into play. Bespoke forged wheels sized 255/30ths R19 and 305/25ths R20 wheels on the front and rear, respectively, are lighter than the stock units and provide a unique look. GeigerCars offers its kit for the coupe and convertible Corvette. There's no final word on pricing, but with the extra 128 horsepower and higher top speed for those German autobahns, whatever the tuner decides to charge will likely be worth it. Click past the jump to read more about the Chevrolet Corvette C7 Stingray by GeigerCars. Chevrolet Corvette C7 Stingray by GeigerCars in detail. GeigerCars worked on more than just the C7's greasy bits. This Stingray's new carbon fiber aero kit includes a new front grille with a large chin splitter. New lightweight wheels are finished in black with body color matching gold rings providing accents. A carbon fiber rocker panel aero piece keeps air flowing rearward past the 305 series rear rubber. Out back, a revised fascia is finished in glossy black while a rear spoiler is coated in matte black paint. That matte black color is mirrored elsewhere around the car, most noticeably on the Stingray's nose. The dotted racing strip fades into glossy black as it passes the hood's heat extractor, and matches the roof's glossy sheen. Overall, the additions to the Stingray make it more menacing, increasing its street cred beyond what Chevrolet had done at the factory. Chevrolet Corvette C7 Stingray. The 7th-generation Corvette revives the Stingray name and keeps alive the raucous V8 heritage. Making 460 horsepower and 465 pound-feet of torque with the performance exhaust attached, the Vette rockets to 60 in just 3.9 seconds. A 7-speed manual gearbox is standard, though an all-new 8-speed automatic transmission is available. Coming in both coupe and convertible forms, with the coupe offering a removable center section, the Stingray offers owners a customizable experience. The Vette is also loaded with tons of technology such as launch control, a performance data recorder, touchscreen navigation, and a digital gauge cluster. Pricing for the Corvette Stingray starts at $51,995 and rises past $62,800 for the top trim level.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.